So, it would be an understatement to say that Google's Pixel AE series is one of the most well-liked smartphone segments in the market. For many people searching for upper mid-range devices, Google's AE series devices have nearly always hit the mark. Google also plans to release the Pixel 8a using the same formula the following year. Since the Google Pixel 7a is a mid-range device, it performs on par with the much more expensive flagships, and in certain situations even outperforms them in challenging lighting conditions because of Google's software optimization. As we all know, the Pixel series is well known for its cameras. Regarding the Pixel 8a, since Google doesn't like to tinker too much with camera hardware, we anticipate that it will have the same 64-megapixel sensor as the Pixel 7a. If they decide to go with the 64MP sensor, the Sony IMX787 sensor will be used. Most likely, the secondary camera will have a wider field of view and be ultra-wide angle. It is likely that the front camera will have the same 13-megapixel sensor as the Pixel 7a. Like its predecessors, the Pixel 8a will run on a Tensor SoC, namely the Tensor G3. The Pixel AE series device of the year usually uses the same Tensor SoC as the flagship Pixel series of the same year, as has been the case since the release of the Pixel 6a. The Google Pixel 8a is anticipated to have the same battery as the 7a. For those who don't know, the 4385 mAh cell that powers the Pixel 7a charges at an 18-watt rate. Although a battery with a capacity of more than 4000 mAh is usually quite good, we do want Google to improve the charging speed in 8a. The Pixel 7a is currently using 18 watts of charging speed, which is appallingly slow when you consider how blazingly fast mid-range devices from Chinese manufacturers like Vivo, Oppo, and OnePlus charge. With prior Pixels charging 3 watts slower than the advertised charging speed values, the Pixel 8's charging speed was increased to true 23-watt speeds, which is still a significant increase. We believe that the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro represent some of Google's best Android phones to date, and that this is just the beginning. Google's next AE series phone could be among the greatest products you can purchase in 2024 if it can duplicate that success and save you some money. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.